The INNOCN 29-inch ultra-wide monitor presents a compelling proposition for professionals and multitaskers seeking an expansive desktop experience without a premium price tag. Its 29-inch IPS panel with a 21:9 ultra-wide aspect ratio and a WFHD resolution of 2560 by 1080 pixels effectively replaces a dual monitor setup, offering a seamless canvas for productivity. The generous screen real estate allows users to comfortably view multiple windows side by side, from complex spreadsheets and coding environments to research documents and communication apps, significantly enhancing workflow efficiency. The inclusion of a USB Type-C port with 65-watt power delivery is a standout feature, enabling a single-cable solution for modern laptops that simultaneously handles video, data, and charging, drastically reducing desktop clutter. This monitor is fundamentally designed to streamline your work process. Visual performance is a key strength of this ultra-wide monitor, largely thanks to its high-quality IPS technology. The panel delivers consistent, vibrant colors with 99% sRGB coverage, making it suitable for photo editing and content creation where color accuracy is important, though not for critical professional color grading. The 100 Hz refresh rate provides a noticeably smoother experience compared to standard 60 Hz office monitors, resulting in less screen tearing and a more fluid feel when scrolling through web pages or manipulating large files. The wide viewing angles ensure that color and contrast remain stable even when viewed from the side, which is ideal for collaborative work sessions. The matte anti-glare coating effectively diffuses reflections from ambient lighting, maintaining clarity and reducing eye strain during extended work marathons. Ergonomics and connectivity are areas where the INNOCN 29-inch monitor truly excels and justifies its value. The stand is robust and offers an impressive range of adjustments, including height, tilt, and pivot, allowing users to find their perfect viewing orientation for maximum comfort. The ability to pivot the screen into a portrait mode is a boon for programmers and writers, enabling them to see more lines of code or an entire page of a document. For those preferring a clean desk setup, the monitor is VESA wall mount compatible. Beyond the versatile USB-C connection, it provides traditional HDMI ports for connecting other devices like a desktop PC or gaming console, ensuring broad compatibility across various hardware setups. Despite its many strengths, the INNOCN 29-inch ultrawide is not without its compromises. The most notable drawback is its WFHD resolution, which, when stretched across 29 inches, results in a pixel density that is less sharp than a 27-inch Quad HD or 4K monitor. Some users may perceive text and fine details as slightly less crisp, which could be a consideration for those with keen eyesight or who work extensively with very small text. The 100 Hz refresh rate, while smooth for productivity and casual use, falls short of the high refresh rates demanded by competitive gamers. Furthermore, while the built-in speakers provide basic audio functionality, their quality is quite poor and tinny, necessitating a dedicated set of external speakers or a headset for any meaningful audio experience. In conclusion, the INNOCN 29-inch ultra-wide monitor is an exceptional value-driven solution for enhancing productivity and multitasking. Its expansive IPS screen, excellent ergonomic stand, and highly convenient USB-C connectivity with power delivery make it an ideal partner for laptop users and professionals. The minor compromises on pixel density and built-in speaker quality are easy to overlook given the feature set and competitive price point. It successfully delivers on its core promise of being a highly functional and adjustable productivity monitor that can transform any workspace.